Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Inktober 2019. We're on day 18 now. I said 2019, right? Oh, whatever. 2019, Inktober 2019. We're on day number 18, and the word is misfit. So, my first inclination was to do a, like the logo for the Misfits, the band, but I don't actually listen to their music. So I was like, well, what other like things involve a misfit? And my thought went back to that animation from Pixar, For the Birds. So I decided, you know what? We're gonna go with For the Birds. So I decided to do a little scene of them on the wire. If you haven't seen For the Birds, you should definitely see it. It's great. It's a pretty old animation at this point, but super funny, cute little short film. And I really like it. The end result came out really good. I normally don't do sketching like on stream just because I like to kind of sketch in leisure. I tend to like watch movies or listen to music or, you know, something while I'm sketching. So I don't tend to do that on stream because I guess there's just a certain amount of pressure while streaming to you know, that gets to me while sketching. I don't know what it is. But I started out from nothing today, and I'm really happy with what I got. You know, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too much pressure. It was really fun. Talked about different games and stuff like that I plan on playing. It's been a great time. A really fun stream overall. And it's also pretty fun because I've had a few people who do Inktober come in and hang out and show me what they've been working on, and I show them what I've been working on. It's I really like the community aspect of Inktober. It's probably the most interesting, fun part, because I've almost given up a few times now. and seeing other people's stuff, or them being like, come on, you can do it. I'm like, okay, I'll try. I'm so scared of disappointing people that I'm gonna work real hard on it all. But, oh gosh, we're already coming to the end. Okay, well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna start doing some animation and stuff after this month, but in the meantime, Inktober is all Inktober. So, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, any of that stuff. See you later. Bye. Oh yeah, later, nerds. I'm trying too hard to make that a thing.